Hey guys, how's it going? Today we have an interesting topic to cover where I'll be teaching you how to survive 2025 without a job with full respect and a lot of fake money in your bank account. Why? Because AI will probably replace you in the coming week or a month, or if you're lucky, then within a year. So let's get started. So, you just got fired. Not by your manager, not even by HR. You got fired by an AI. It probably sent you a perfectly formatted email with 0 typos. I mean, impressive grammar, right? And a creepy line like, "Your redundancy enhances overall system efficiently." And a smiley face. So, cool. Well, welcome to 2025. Where the machines don't just take your job, they do it while quoting your own Slack messages. So don't panic. Here's how to run this robo-rejection into your hilarious, semi-productive comeback tour. So let's get started. Let's start our steps. Step number 1. Write a breakup letter to the AI that replaced you. I mean, nothing says closer like a passive-aggressive email title. "It's not me, it's your training data." Sample lines. "So you were fast, sure, but you never really listened because whatever you type, it just gives you a stupid answer most of the time." Number 2, "I hope you and your ones and zeros are very happy together because you replaced me." Bonus, you can even CC your former manager and let them feel something for once because they will also be replaced one day and they will be writing the same letter. Maybe watch this same tutorial. Step number 2, which is super popular nowadays, start a fake AI startup and pitch it to your old boss. Idea can be a emo bot, the first AI that just cries with you when you lose your job. Like the one that I'm doing, but I'm not AI. What we can do is we can make a landing page and we can throw in some buzzwords like decentralized empathy system, which is blockchain-based hugging system, and its beta users reported a 40% decrease in existential dread. If they take a bait, you win. If not, it was still fun to Photoshop a sad robot holding tissues. So good luck. Number 3, which is print stickers that say "replaced by AI, still hot dough." And a lot of programmers will definitely buy your stickers. Stick one on your laptop, one on your forehead, and one on your ex-car. Make it popular, you know? These are the ways. Distribute them in coffee shops where other jobless engineers will definitely gather for a coffee. Form a silent brotherhood of freshly fired humans sipping $7 oat lattes, pretending it's fine. But soon they'll realize they'll go for $1. Number 4, which is super popular in LinkedIn, is become an AI whisperer. Literally, you know how people talk to plants? Start whispering to ChatGPT. Say things like, "You're not better, you're just faster." Bet you can't cry during Pixar movies. Convince your friends to do the same. We'll start a movement. It will be weird, but it will definitely be beautiful. With all of my old folks who lost their job. Number 5 is launch a popular podcast called 404 Career Not Found, which I might even start tomorrow. But here are the topics that you might try. Number 1, how I got fired by a robot and still got ghosted by recruiters. Sad. And you can even try with this one, which is crying into LinkedIn, a survival guide, which everybody does. Number 3, is it okay to put AI nemesis under skills? Which I don't know what that means. So, have guests share their most ridiculous rejection emails. End each episode with a segment called "Was this written by AI or by my ex?" Spoiler, you can never tell because they are both the same. Number 6, which will be a hot trending job, apply to be a robot life coach. New career path, you know, guiding AIs through emotional growth. Because let's face it, they're smart, but they've never loved and lost. And what are the job duties of this hypothetical job? Teach Siri how to take feedback without rebooting, which is super hard. Number 2, help ChatGPT recover from burnout, which is a billion queries per second due to this Ghibli trend. And number 3, listen to Alexa cry about never being thanked. And you can charge $500 per hour because no one will hire you. But you'll feel superior for a day because you've got such high paychecks. Number 7, which is to use your tech skills for hacking, and you can hack a smart fridge to display "You fired my friend Karen." Use your leftover tech powers for good, Sneak into your old office break room and have smart fridge flash. AI may chill, but it can't feel, with a heartbroken emoji. Or just program it to slowly turn everyone's oat milk into mayo. Your call. Whatever you do, use your tech skills for good. Number 8. Create a LinkedIn post that's 100% human, 100% pity. You can write, "Today I was replaced by a robot." But that's okay, because while AI can code faster, it can't understand the heartbreak of seeing your snack chef emptied by Steve from accounting. It can't joke with you. You can even include a crying selfie. You can use hashtags like #OpenToWork, #OpenToRevenge, and you'll get viral. Number 9. Offer AI cleanup services in Fiverr. You can list yourself as the human who fixes what AI messed up, and you can include the following services. Translating AI written emails into English that doesn't sound like a Bond villain wrote it, like a super villain explaining how he will destroy the world. Number 2, restoring files that AI confidentially deleted to increase efficiency. Number 3, teaching AI how not to recommend kale-only diets to everyone. You can also use an option cell, human sarcasm consultant, for bots learning Twitter tone, because that's what everybody needs nowadays. And number 10, which is finally a useful one. You can take a break and touch the grass, You can even think, how long has it been since you haven't been at the top of the hill? Watch birds fly, eagles fly just above you. Maybe watch some airplanes fly, which you do in movies every time. But it has been so long that you haven't touched a dog, which is in the street, fed him some biscuits. Or you can even go to Himalayas, they're free. So sometimes the best revenge is peace. Go outside, breathe, pick a flower. Name it after your replacement bot, which might be our bot overload or whatever it was. Watch it wilt, smile knowingly, and you can remember robots might be efficient, but they'll never know the joy of crying in the shower to break a playlist while updating your resume in Google Doc. Which is fun, And here are my final thoughts. Remember, you're not a failure. You might be, but just pretend that you are not. You're just a better version of yourself. And beta is where all the bugs are fixed. So, cry a little, laugh a lot, and then rise like a phoenix from the algorithmic ashes. Because no matter how advanced AI gets, he'll never understand how to make this funny. Unless it reads this article, then we're doomed. But hey, at least you made it laugh, right?